Hi all, welcome to the Vision Board community. So today I'm just inviting to Taushif. So Taushif will be given some kind of an experience how to get a better opportunity in a positive way. Taushif, you can share your experience and all to our community.
Yeah, thank you, Dave, for the opportunity. I will share that one because I have almost 9 years of experience. I have some
Okay.
amount of experience in SQL and Python
Uh-huh.
because I'm last trying from last 3 years from data engineering. When I
Oh,
searching from the outside the courses, this is a difficulty I am checking that one. You required from Airflow, you required from Kafka, you required from some other almost all data breaks is required, data factory is required, everything is required. I have to confuse
yes.
that one. The Spark is
Uh,
required. If you learn
mhm.
from 6 to 7 months, how it will be get tracking interview, that all confuse that one. And I
Hmm.
found out, I think last December, November, last year, November or December for your community and the saving the
Uh,
adding from the YouTube or Facebook, I have seen that one. This is not
okay.
required, just required from this much. I inspires
Uh,
that one. I immediately I
mhm.
joined from webinar that time. And I have
Mhm.
to 2 hours webinars I joined. You told that this is the transition is enough for that one. I have to very attractive from your the course details. Then I have
Yes.
immediately I have to join that only. Batch 9 I
Oh,
joined. I not
uh,
more batch 9 almost to half or 70% is completed that time. I not
yes,
done
yes.
the batch 9 things. You told
Uh,
that you can go through just by Sparks code and something. You know some knowledge is there from SQL and other things. Because
exactly.
of company work and I had went vacation that time is not concentration more also. And
Uh-huh.
the class done from batch 10. I started
Mm.
from day one data freaks. You told from certification. I not done
Yes.
the certification because of my company work time that also not
Got
matching,
it, got it.
and I also not much attending that one. Certification are not much focused that one. And
Uh-huh.
then day one day I started that one because of the batch 9 have materials is there. Just I go there and after this one, and I came to live classes also. When the time is there, I can come to live classes and attend the live classes also. And
Okay.
one thing is main thing is the thing is Devi that is not required the entire materials or go to classes. The only
Mm-hmm.
thing is required from the inspiration the things. Okay, you can do
Yes.
it, we can do it. Nothing is there, nothing is there. That word you are every class you're telling, na, that is one thing I have to very impressive that one.
Thanks, Taushik.
Yeah,
That is enough because always we are not getting the support, right? That is the one I
yeah.
faced in my life in the initial days.
Correct.
So
That
that is
because
very
many people
important.
is clear that one. Okay, data
Mm.
engineering that much is required. Not you told that one is required from the data factory, data breaks, Spark, and Python SQL is enough that things for transitions.
Yes.
Even the interviews not asking much thing also. There's not
Ah.
perfection also. The things you
Mm.
know the knowledge
Mm.
or not, you get the knowledge or not. Just checking
Mm.
the about that one because
Uh-huh.
that one is helpful. Is that is
Uh-huh.
one thing your classes I am very much like that one. You are timing every time every class you are telling that one. You
Uh.
need to do that. You need to do it. That word I have
Exactly.
to
We want to
going
crack it,
that
right?
one inside and I had then I have to start it daily. I every day if you not attend the class also I have to go there and search that in the mobile also get the
Uh-huh.
materials. I go through the materials.
Uh-huh.
I'm getting the materials. The Python SpicePark, I think 45 days you shared that one. Batch 9, I think that
Yes.
one, 45 days. So
Yes.
this is very
Uh-huh.
helpful from SpicePark code because I not written
Uh-huh.
any SpicePark code, SpicePark knowledge is there. That is
Mm.
very helpful for me, that one. If any
Okay.
SpicePark code, I have to almost, I attended to 4 interviews. First one
Oh.
is Deloitte. That
Ah.
is was critical that, okay, that I had to learn that one. Okay, how to answer there is that. This interview is the first round is not happen. It is
Okay.
not done. Second round is IBM thing. IBM is
Ah.
asked very well, but is looking more thing and asking a code. 1 hour interview took IBM almost.
1 hour interview.
One
Oh,
hour
okay.
interview. Right.
Uh-huh.
He interested that person, but I only thing is there I have not much write the special code. They get to
Okay.
know, oh, I need to practice again. Then I
Hmm.
to 1 week I sit from that one. I had to take pen and paper, not in the notepad or anything. Pen and paper,
Okay.
pen and paper. I
Ah.
use the pen and paper. Special code. What is the
Like
required for the
writing it
consecutive?
one by
Writing
one you are
everything. I
writing.
need one word for the reading the CSV file. How it is far file reading that one. If you
Hmm.
find out the second IST in the specific code. You can SQL, write a group by array partition, you can use that one. Same
Hmm.
thing you can use. That only thing you can use from the data frame. How to use data
Hmm. Hmm.
frame? If it's the customers
Hmm.
table or the other tables, how to say that one? Nothing is enough. The DF score, DF F is equal to, that is the customer. Next we can use
Okay.
from the join, the left join.
Yeah.
Which one? The orders. Next we can
Hmm.
filter the condition. Where order it is null.
Hmm.
These things,
Hmm.
this is a very simple thing. The only thing is you need to
Exactly.
practice.
We
When
need to be
reading the
practiced.
things, yeah,
Huh.
practice. If you
Same
notepad also
question,
is
right?
okay. If you pen and paper, also,
Everyone
yeah,
is asking the same question also, right? Same kind of whatever we shared,
same
same
question
code actually.
only. Second
Uh,
highest
uh,
salary, yes. Topmost salary, top
uh,
highest salaries, and customers not place any order, and latest
hmm,
records, how to paste that one, how to remove the duplicates. This one only
hmm,
I have to solve that one. Other than it is
hmm.
advanced level because of my put, I have put from 4 years for my
Okay.
resume. That's
Uh-huh.
advanced level. Ask for that one. What is the schema
Uh,
evaluation? What is schema
yes.
enforcement? How we implemented that one? How
Hmm,
to
hmm,
identify the schema skewness,
hmm,
the skewness, how to identify uh,
hmm.
how you to work that scenario. That one the scenario based asking. For example, it will be getting the files. The slow, it is a
Uh,
file will be slow. The running the pipelines will be slow. Job is slow.
okay.
How to identify that one? That skewness
Hmm.
work. I told that one the workers idle some not completely worker to taking all the same amount of data. Some worker
Okay.
taking more than and some amount is idle. Some
These people are, I
safe
think,
from the
same kind of a
yes.
question these people are asking, but only we need to be practice and structured way we need to answer, right?
One. Yeah.
Okay. And
Have pace from third round. I got it. I have cracked that one. Hmm. That
oh,
I read the,
okay.
my mind. Then third
Uh,
round I have to third
okay.
company I not lose that one. I get it that one.
Uh, okay. You will get like a
Yes.
more offer letter
This
because people need energetic people,
yeah
confidently
I am
speak in
expecting
front of
more
you.
offer.
Uh-huh.
When I joined the company, I told that one I need to crack 6 to 7 offer. Maybe I will. I told that one I do same
Uh-huh.
thing. They crack
Yes, you will definitely get it actually. I am also waiting to like I'm
first
getting like a
one.
more
No
offer letter in
notes.
your hand.
I will be crack minimum 4 to 5.
Sure, sure.
Yes, yes,
Focus
yes.
more actually because now you are nearing to all the
Yeah.
things, right? The chances is very high to getting the offer letter.
Yes, yes. Because
And
I also
like
am
and one more
concentration
thing,
more.
more tell me, Shasif, you can concentrate more on that one. And one more thing, like and when you
Concentration
like
more
and
on the
coming
on-site
into that.
things. That one also I
Sure,
am
sure.
looking that one.
Okay, okay, okay. That is really nice. And
Mm.
the second thing, like and coming into the transition or like an in the preparing stage, right? So, any difficulty or any challenges you are facing, like and when you're preparing, right? Like and sessions and or any kind of a challenges you prepared or anything you faced that time.
Challenges have paced maybe because when the data factory how it is work, the project real-time project how it is we work. That one I
Uh,
don't know because we have not
mm,
done that one. The data factory pipelines will be created that one.
mm,
Because of my
mm.
company also more time because of I am coming to 8 to 8 to sometimes will be my work will complete from 8 to 8:15, 8:30.
Oh,
I not join
that
the
is a
class
very.
also. I will watch the recordings
Uh-huh.
because I've not practiced much also. Because the
Mm,
same thing I have to in the company also using the
mm.
database everything. But I don't
Okay.
know how in the class I'm watching that one. Okay, I see that in the same thing. It is the same thing that one. Practice is
Mm,
very important when data factory it will because of every time no every but if he's a free person, if you know jobs is there or anything is there, you are a free person. Definitely your course is very helpful to crack any amount of salary. I am telling the frankly that things.
mm.
If it is a
Yeah,
crack
yeah.
40 or 50 LPI, if it is a good amount of knowledge is to gain that one, the 4 years of only data engineer, the only thing is practice the things. The same
Exactly. Same,
thing in
same
practice now.
material,
That
right?
takes question you
Same
can answer the
material.
scenario based of that one.
Exactly, because majority of the people are not focusing. That is the main issue. Even in the community,
That
one
is the
CR, 1.1 CR, people are getting because same material they are practicing, but the preparation, right? The confidence, the way of align. This is all are very important to getting the offer letter. Some people are following the path. I
Even though
how she your case also, I think expecting like an 8 to 9 offer letter from us from the community too. Can you share with us?
definitely Devi, I will
Then
6 offer letter I will gain that one. I think within
yeah, yeah,
June. I
definitely.
think no, because of May is almost very slow hiring. I have to know that one because call getting
Because
weekly one
hiring.
or two. No, yeah.
That is
June I'm getting last 2 days.
that
It
is the
getting
thing.
2 3 calls, at least 2 3 calls. I'm not scheduling any interview. Getting the call
Ah,
also it is very good.
ah,
Getting calls it will be impressing.
yes,
Mind will be okay. I need to prepare. If it is no calls, not less
When
boring.
you're
Why
putting
not
the
more
paper,
calls?
right? What second thing, if you complete the certification, double the call also. Second thing,
Mm,
like when you're getting the first offer letter, you are serving the notice period, you put the offer letter in the Naukari, what will happen? Again, double the call. This is the scenario. That's why I'm also suggesting like and
yes,
if you
yes.
get like a good amount of offer, just put the paper and doing like an interview. You will definitely get a better job in the market because openings are there. Okay. And
Definitely.
anyway, Tauship, thanks for your time for joining with the vision board. I will arrange a one more call with you soon. Okay. Maybe the vision board winners list, right? You will
Sure,
be
sure.
there. So thanks for sharing your like such a amount of time
Yeah,
for us.
sure.
I'm always grateful to join and share your experience.
Yeah, I'm always thankful for your courses. That will be very helpful. That one. That will be really
Thanks.
very helpful.
Thanks. Thanks, Tauship, because you are sharing the words, right? Because whatever the effort I am putting,
Crack
I'm
bigger
getting
amount
like
of
a result actually.
that one. I will do it. That one. I will
Yeah,
not
yeah,
stop
sure.
my learning. No, I will
Yeah.
continue to my learning. I will grow myself
Sure,
in the
sure.
next
You
10
can
years.
start the learning and let us know any kind of an help. Let us know. Okay.
Yeah, okay,
We need to
okay.
make a kind of a close community, and I will add you to the referral group also. You can refer people also when you get a
Sure,
job.
sure.
We can
Yeah,
support the people who are struggling with the low salary.
yeah, definitely. Yeah.
Thanks, Taushif. Thank for your
Thank you.
time.
Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.